The following preview text has been rated PG-13, which stands for Pretty Good Email Marketing Technique to Try 13. Hey there, Sam from GMass here. Today I am covering preview text. If you're not familiar, that's that little bit of text that shows up either next to or underneath the subject line in the inbox, like this. In this video, I'll go a little deeper into what preview text is. I'll cover some copywriting strategies, explain why it's so good to use, plus I'll show you how to easily set up preview text for your marketing emails. Let's go. Hey! So again, preview text is that short line of text that appears in the inbox either next to or below the subject line. And we do mean short. The visible text length is roughly about 35 characters. You can remember that by thinking of the bloated 9th season of The Office, where there were 35 random characters, like Nelly and those dudes. So preview text is not just a clever name either. It is supposed to give a preview of what's in the email. Let's take a quick Epcot-style tour to preview text around the internet to see how it looks. Here's Gmail on desktop, Gmail on mobile, Apple Mail on desktop, Apple Mail on mobile, Yahoo Mail on desktop, Yahoo Mail on mobile. Unfortunately, I cannot show you AOL Mail because I ran out of my minutes for the month. Okay, more on preview text. So preview text isn't visible when you open the email itself. That makes it different than something called preheader text. Even though people use those terms interchangeably, preheader text is visible. Preview text only works with HTML emails, not plain text ones, because it's actually a hack. It's not a cool hack like this dude would do, but it is a low-level hack. It's just non-visible HTML. The inbox sees it, but the rendered email doesn't. Preview text is great for your marketing emails, and here's why. Preview text can boost open rates. Preview text gives you a better chance to entice someone to open your emails in that limited amount of inbox real estate that you have. So when you use it right, it can pack a nice 1-2 punch with your subject line. You can really do anything with the pairing. You could be mysterious with one and elaborate with the other. You could be straightforward with both. You could use one for urgency and one for scarcity. You could be funny with one and straightforward with the other. Whatever you think and you test is going to best help you meet your email marketing goals. Preview text helps you control your inbox presence. So here's what happens when you don't set preview text. Your emails look like this. It's just pulling whatever it finds in the email, and that's wasting valuable, limited inbox space that you could be using to entice people to open your messages. Preview text is emphasized on mobile. So people are more likely to check their email on their phone than their computer. The statistics definitively say that. And preview text often gets more of a spotlight on mobile than desktop. So by optimizing your preview text, you're optimizing for mobile. You can see on a phone, it often gets its own line. On the desktop, you get that sometimes, but in a lot of cases, it trails the subject line, and sometimes it'll get cut off entirely. Now, let's set your preview text. All right, I'm going to walk you through how to set the preview text using GMass. Oh, by the way, if you're not using GMass, which turns Gmail into an email marketing and cold email platform, you are really missing out. Get our CD now to get 50 hours free. That's not true. None of that's true. But you do get 50 daily emails free, and no CD required. Anyway, it's really easy to set preview text. In the Gmail Compose window for your campaign, open up the GMass settings box. Go to the advanced settings. You'll see the preview text option there. Type whatever you want. The settings will autosave and use the preview text when you send. And if you want, you can use any mail merge tags in the preview text to personalize it to each recipient. You can see when I send a test of this email, there's the preview text right where it's supposed to be with the merge tag filled in. You can also set the preview text for your rich text auto follow-ups in GMass. That's a tongue twister. When you create or edit an auto follow-up message, just open its settings and set the preview text. You can see here in my test, the preview text showed up for the auto follow-up message. And you can set the preview text for a campaign using the GMass API. So I'll demonstrate real quick here in Swagger. It's one of the many types of data you can pass for your campaign using the API/campaigns endpoint. And here's that email which I just sent using the GMass API with the preview text where it's supposed to be. Congratulations, you are now a preview text expert. If you would like to see a text version of the techniques and strategies I've described in this video, I've linked a relevant blog post in the description. You can also find a blog post there on rich text auto follow-ups because I really walked through those in this video. Please take a moment to subscribe for more videos like this on all things email marketing and cold email, because where I come from, having email is everything.
You've got mail.